Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to get one color sensor right here, this color sensor. And I'd like you to plug it into port E. E. All right, and there we go. Now, if you take a look up in the top right corner of your Mindstorms, you should now see that E has a color, or actually, matter of fact, see how it has a red line through it? That means there's no color. Put your finger over top of it, right on top of it, and it senses the blood in your finger, and it goes to red. But that's not the best red, really, is it? So what I want you to do is I want you to go and get a teal piece of Lego. Teal, right here. Okay? And I want you to hold it in front. So I'm going to hold it in front, and you will notice that the color sensor has turned to teal. All right, let me zoom on in so that way you can see it completely. Teal, number 4. Now, notice it's very sensitive. If I move it around at all, no go. Okay, so you have to make sure that it's completely covered in that. Okay, I put my sensor down on the white desk. You can see there it is. Exactly. 10. I think that the 10 actually might be just how strong it is, or maybe I'm not too sure what the numbers are. I have to admit, maybe each number has each color has a number attached to it. If I put this in here, see I'm right on the sensor. It's showing 4. Okay, if I pick something, this post-it note, I'm putting it here. It actually is saying that this yellow post-it note is white. Interesting. Okay, number 10. All right, moving on. I want you to add the color sensor to the if-then statement. So we're going to grab an if-then statement. That's under the control section. Go in here, and not if-then else, just an if-then. And see where I'm putting it? Right here at the bottom. Okay, but no, there. Right there. That's it. Perfect. And then I want you to go to the sensors section and grab the color and put it right in here, that guy. And we're going to change, of course, this red to teal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think that's a coincidence. Right there it is. Okay, awesome. And so now, what's it going to do when it sees teal? Well, we're going to have a little bit of fun. Once you go to sound, I want you to play the sound of a cat. And we're going to throw that in there. Okay. And now keep in mind that the sound of the cat ends up actually being played through your computer. So you might need to put the volume up on your computer. So we are now going to run the program. Oh, wait a minute. I want you to run the program in slightly a different way. That's right. See where it says 0? I want you to click on it, and I want you to go to number 3. Okay? And see this little button right here? This is the download button. I want you to click on it, and it will download automatically to your robot. Okay? But you now need to select number 3 on your robot. There. And now I want you to press the button in order to start it. Okay. So now, when something is close to it, it's going to be turning red, just like it did before. If we take a teal piece of Lego, or quite honestly, the teal side of this, turning red. So it's doing different things depending on what the sensors are telling it. All right, play around with that if you'd like. Then you can stop the program. You'll need to stop the program actually by pressing on this button. Okay, you can't stop it on the computer. You have to press it on this button. So we'll do that. Awesome. Okay, don't forget to save your project. Save your project. There we go. And go on to the next video.